Intro Video Logo Maker is an innovative Android application designed for creating professional-looking intros and logos for videos. This app caters to content creators, YouTubers, marketers, and anyone looking to enhance their video branding with visually appealing graphics and animations. The application offers a wide range of customizable templates, allowing users to easily design intros that reflect their unique style and brand identity. With a user-friendly interface, users can add text, choose from various fonts, incorporate images or logos, and select animations to create eye-catching intros that capture viewers' attention. Intro Video Logo Maker typically includes features such as background music options, special effects, and the ability to preview and edit projects before finalizing them. Users can export their creations in high resolution, making it suitable for professional use across various platforms, including social media, websites, and video sharing sites. Overall, Intro Video Logo Maker is an excellent tool for anyone looking to elevate their video content with engaging intros and logos, providing an easy and efficient way to create stunning visuals that enhance their brand presence.